Back from the dead.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're all invited to go fucking mental on this.
Hi, I'm Bob, and this is a SIB. Some engineer type named it SIB because it's an acronym. It stands for System Integrated Block, or System Intelligent Biomass, or, well, it doesn't matter what I'm not calling it because I am calling it Simple is Beautiful. It's simply beautiful because this 1-inch cube will soon be available to you here on Kickstarter for only $5. A $5 fully programmable internet-connected button that is the solution to the problems that you'll have now, problems you'll have tomorrow, and even problems you won't know you'll have until a year from now, or even a year after.
All it takes is one unprotected device to compromise your privacy. Block them all with the Q-Branch Vektor, your new whole-home network defender.
I'm Jim McCoy, the founder of Q-Branch Labs. I spent 5 years at Facebook where I led the security tools team that built advanced systems to protect Facebook from some of the best hacking teams on the planet. But what I discovered is that my friends and family needed this same level of cybersecurity protection for their home networks. So I left Facebook and spent the past year working on putting enterprise-grade security into an easy-to-use and high-performance package, the Vektor.
There's no need to rewire your network. Simply plug one wire into your router and you're all set. Vektor identifies all your connected devices, displays them on an easy-to-use app, and gives you control over the privacy and protection of your smart speakers, smart TVs, and cameras. It provides automated firewall management, learning what normal is on your network and stopping any incoming connections that are unfamiliar. Vektor manages your existing VPN account to extend protection to any device in your home, including devices that wouldn't normally use a VPN. And your internet provider, they won't be able to spy on you and build a profile on your network activity anymore. You have full control with the Vektor app, blocking ads and web trackers for all your devices. A simple interface lets you accomplish the most standard security tasks, with advanced features available if you want to dig deeper. Whether you're home or on the road, you will receive push notifications if Vektor detects a problem or hacking attempt, making it easy to take preventative actions with your app. You can also set restrictions and time limits on your child's internet access, easily limit any device to child-safe domains, and scheduled browsing hours. With Vektor, you have full visibility and complete control of your network. It's enterprise-grade security in an easy-to-use product, providing a simple solution to a complex problem. Protecting your network and devices has never been more important. Nothing else on the market provides easy-to-use protection like the Q-Branch Vektor. Don't become another cybersecurity statistic. Visit GetVektor.com to learn more and order yours today.
Here's the problem with air purifiers. You don't know if they actually work. You breathe,
the purifier cleans, you breathe again, and everything feels the same. The purifier is like your friend John who you've asked to donate $5 to your favorite charity. He says he did, but did he? You can get an air analyzer, but just like you and your lying friend John, they don't talk to each other. Meet Aura Air, the world's first total air solution. It does 4 things. 1. It analyzes your air by circulating it, so it can tell you what's going on right now, but also predict future problems. 2. It purifies it and disinfects it through 5 different filters to an entirely different level of standards. 3. It functions as a certified carbon monoxide and smoke detection unit, and it recognizes the air quality outside your home and gives you real-time air quality recommendations. Each of these things it does better than most of the other only doing one thing devices. And thanks to advanced technology, it's not the size of a refrigerator, so you don't need to move a couch to find room for it. If you're not living directly under a highway, you're probably thinking your indoor air is at least okay. That's because it seems clear. If it looked like this, you would know there's a problem. But if we could visualize every toxin that's in your air, you'd be able to see that your everyday air is filled with pesticides, gas leaks, pollen, formaldehyde, mold, and home-created toxins. In fact, according to the US EPA, indoor air is 5 times more polluted than the air outside. Maybe you are better off living under a highway. Now let's talk air purification. Aura Air uses a unique 5-stage optimized filter system, starting with a pre-filter that cleanses big molecules and particles of dust, pollen, and mold. The UV LED is for bacteria and viruses. Ray filter is for tiny particles such as microdust and germs. Then the smart fabric filter with copper and carbon absorbs smells and harmful gases. And finally, the stereonizer completes the purifying process by restoring necessary ion levels to closed environments. Your air is now cleaner and better than any other purifier can. And thanks to the analyzer, Aura Air's app will tell you how clean. You can also get tips and insights on how to improve your indoor air quality and see a graph of your home's air quality over time. Besides analyzing and purifying, Aura Air's sensors provide the built-in functionality of a carbon monoxide and smoke detection unit. The US requires every home to have these detectors, and everywhere else, it's pretty useful to have them as well. Now let's talk about what's going on outside. Aura Air teamed up with Rezometer to give you location-based real-time air quality data. And you know they're good because they provide Google their air quality information. This can help you decide whether it's a good day for a jog or a better day to stay in and finally do that binge watching you've been postponing all week. So if you want indoor air analysis, the best-in-class purification, carbon monoxide and smoke detection, and outside air analysis all in one, get Aura Air. Now let's take care of that dependable friend problem. Here's David. Trust us. He's great.
We started Ace City Labs with the knowledge that the 21st century is one of the most distracting times in history. Our product, the GetProductive Alpha, is a culmination of our grade 10 to 11 award-winning school project. It specifically helps you boost your productivity, increase your results and income, as well as designed to be as least distracting as possible.
We always wondered how much time we spend in an 8-hour workday doing productive work. What if we can instantly increase our productivity? Introducing the GetProductive Alpha.
The Alpha is quite simple to use as it's built off 3 proven productivity functions. The first is the Pomodoro timer, where you set the timer to a certain time, such as 30 minutes, and you then work completely focused until the timer reads 0. The result is a greatly increased capacity for productivity and focus during each session. This helps you have disciplined focus and rest periods throughout the day to prevent burnout.
When the timer's up, take a 5-minute break and get back to 30 minutes of focused work. These sessions of work are designed to help you be as focused as possible to increase your productivity and possibly increase your income.
The second function is the stopwatch. When you press this button in the middle, you're tracking the time you are doing focused and vitally important work, or priorities, whatever that means for you. You'll be shocked at how much time during the day you're actually doing important work that moves the needle. The goal with this function is to help you spend as much time as possible doing the tasks that matter the most.
At the end of the day, you can check your performance on the GetProductive app. This will allow you to become more aware of what activities you are actually spending your time on and will help you finally complete those essential tasks.
See your productivity stats and learn how you manage your focus during the day, and learn from your demographics to see how to improve your productivity and effectiveness.
Be the first to join the movement. Try out the GetProductive Alpha only on Kickstarter.